Hello friends, again come back with new topics. It's very important for you. It is noun of multitude versus collective noun. Do you know what is noun of multitude? What is collective noun? You are very familiar with collective noun, but you face some problem with noun of multitude. If you do not identify what is noun of multitude, what is collective noun, or what is the function of multitude, what is the function of collective noun, you face some problem. Your subject and verb, your sentence will not correct in some cases. So let's get started. Before starting my lesson, I have request, if you newcomer to my channel, please subscribe it. If you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. So let's get started. Firstly, we want to know what is actually noun of multitude. Noun of multitude is the noun of individual things or person. We know collective noun and noun of multitude are similar, but noun of multitude is a noun, is a group of noun that expresses individual person or things. Okay, for example, the committee are divided in their decisions. Here the word committee is actually collective noun, but the collective noun expresses a unit, but noun of multitude use it individually. Actually noun of multitude means the committee. The word committee means the number of the committee. Every member of the committee are divided their decisions. So it is not one thing, it is different thing. The noun, the subject expresses the different classes, different groups. It is not in unique position. That's why the committee is noun of multitude. The jury are given their opinions. Here the word jury. Actually the jury, the member of jury. Every member of the jury. The separately, individually expresses. So it is noun of multitude. The class have attained same position. The class have attained. One thing, noun of multitude expresses individual thing, so that the subject is regarded as plural and its verb will be plural. The class have attained same position. So the class means every part, every groups. So it is noun of multitude and it expresses the individual things. Okay, the department, another example, the department take their decision. The department take, here we use the take, simple present form, because the government, every body of the government, the body of the government. So it is noun of multitude. I hope noun of multitude you can clear noun of multitude. The function, what is the function of noun of multitude? Noun of multitude, subject always plural, so verb will be plural. We also familiar with collective noun. Collective noun is a noun, is a group of noun, similar thing that expresses the similar things or person. What is multitude? Multitude is individual group, is a noun that expresses individual person, but collective noun is similar person or things. And what is the function? The function of collective noun is subject always singular. The words of collective are always singular. Sometimes it is used as plural, but the verb will be singular. However, by example we will be clear what is actually collective noun. How does it works in sentence? The class has attained its decision. Here the class expresses the unit things. Then another example, the committee is divided. The committee is showing their decision. The committee actually is not the individual person, individual member of the committee, but it is expresses the only unit. Committee is a body, so it is collective noun. The department takes the decision. The department, actually there are different type of people included in department. When we use individually, it will be multitude, but when we use department, means a body, so it will be collective noun. The team has been chosen by the board. The team, we know the team is collective noun, but a team may be 5 members, 10 members, 11 members, but when we expresses it every member, each member individually, then it will be multitude. When you use the team as a unit, it will be collective noun. Okay, how many collective noun? Someone asked me how many collective noun in English grammar. If you have any confusion about the number of collective noun, go to Google, then search, you find different websites shows different collective noun, but approximately collective noun are available. 200 collective nouns are available in English grammar. Use in sentence. How do we use collective noun in sentence? Noun of multitude in sentence. Why do we use noun of multitude or collective noun in sentence? Because if we always use subject, we always use verb, and we know there have a connections between subject and verb. We know if the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb will be plural. So we have to know both of them to write, to speak proper language. However, use collective noun or noun of multitude, use sentence in 2 ways. One is as words. For example, the family consists in 5 members. Here the family, not every member of the family, just family as a unit. So here the family is collective noun. It can be used as phrase. Collective noun can be used as phrase. The range of mountains increases the natural beauty of the mountain. The range of mountain increase the natural beauty of our country. So here the range of mountain, actually range is collective noun. Here we use as a range of mountain, so it is phrase. It is collective noun. Though if we use it individual, range, it will be multitude. Now you see on the screen the list of common collective nouns, noun of multitude, that helps you to understand what actually collective noun and its different uses. You can screenshot it for next learning. Hope you guys you can identify what is actually collective noun and noun of multitude. Hope to see you next another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.